Hi, I'm Leslie Lambert Redhead, and I'm here to help you discover your inner artist through watercolor paintings. In this next course, you'll learn how to paint loose realism by painting this watercolor of apples. In this course, you will learn, use, and practice techniques such as wet and wet, glazing, and negative painting. All of these techniques combined will help you create the illusion of loose realism, which will not only help you create this painting of apples, but will help you in your future watercolors. In this step-by-step course, you will create your own beautiful masterpiece as you discover how to combine the look of loose watercolor with realistic painting, learn how and where to use different watercolor brush techniques. You can go at your own pace. The lesson never expires. It will always be there for you. There are over 3 hours of instruction with lesson pages that are easy to navigate, as well as downloadable drawings and guides. All levels of painters are welcome. All for the price of $39 US. If you have taken my free online course of negative painting, positive thinking, and watercolor, then you know how I teach and you know what to expect in this upcoming course. If you have not taken it, you can find the link at my website, leslieredheadart.com. To join me in painting these apples, please go to leslieredheadart.com and click on the online courses link, or you can go to watercolor-365.teachable.com. Now let's get started painting apples in watercolor.